Most common causes of Audi steering wheel vibration in Decatur. When the steering wheel of the Audi is vibrating, it may lead to major breakdowns. Determining the causes behind the vibrations of the steering wheel is incredibly time-consuming, frustrating. Most common causes behind the vibrated steering wheel in your Audi are the damaged brake rotor, unbalanced tires. For preventing issues, you have to figure out the causes that might be looking for the solution. Below points to find the causes behind steering wheel vibrations in your Audi. Improperly balanced tires. Over time, the counterweights used in Audi for balancing the tires are falling down. So, the unbalanced tires are causing annoying vibrations in the steering wheel. Broken brake caliper. Brake caliper in your Audi is the one that is highly prone to damages due to debris or mistakes arises in the installation. Replacement of the brake pads or rotors. If the brake caliper sticks on, then it will cause vibrations in the steering wheel. Thin brake pads. For the smooth functioning of the brakes, brake pads need to replace periodically. Brake pads are thinning frequently and cause problems while pressing the brakes, such as vibrated brake pedal. Produce strange noises. Misaligned tires. Common reason behind the vibrated steering wheel is the misalignment of wheels. Tires are misaligned due to many reasons, but the most common among them are how you will drive it, where you can drive it, damaged brake rotors. Excess braking or sudden stops of the car at high speed also damage the brake rotors. So, the damaged brake rotors also cause vibrations when they are out of the round. Thus, the vibrated steering wheel in your Audi is going to get worse over time. If you are living in Decatur, then consult with a trusted mechanic to narrow down the issues and fix them ASAP. Visit us.